Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use FamilyWall in 2025. Whether you're managing family schedules, organizing tasks, or sharing moments, this app makes life easier. Let's get started. 1. Download and set up FamilyWall. First, download FamilyWall from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, create an account and invite family members by sending them an invite link via email or phone number. 2. Create and manage family calendar. The calendar helps you keep track of events, appointments, and activities. You can add events with reminders, assign tasks to specific family members, sync it with Google Calendar for better organization. 3. Organize your to-do lists. Use the to-do list feature to manage shopping lists, chores, and family projects. Tasks can be marked complete once done, keeping everyone on track. 4. Share important family moments. The FamilyWall gallery allows you to share photos, videos, and notes with loved ones. Think of it as a private social media space just for your family. 5. Track locations with Family Locator. Enable location sharing to see where family members are in real time. You can also set up geofences, so you get notified when someone arrives at or leaves a specific location. 6. Manage household expenses. FamilyWall also includes an expense tracker to help you monitor family spending. Add shared expenses and split bills easily among members. 7. Keep family communication organized. Use the built-in messaging feature to chat with family members directly in the app, making communication simple and organized. With these features, FamilyWall helps keep everything in one place, making family life smoother and more organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.